Welcome back. Madgaon police have arrested one Dastigir Sheikh for snatching mobile phones from people. Dastigir Sheikh is 25 years of age and has been involved in many such robberies. Madgaon police have also succeeded in cracking 3 more mobile snatching cases. Dastigir is currently in police custody.
Dastigir Sheikh is the son of Razak Sheikh from Madgaon. He has been arrested for snatching mobile phones and fleeing from the spot. Police have seized 5 mobile phones and have also attached a motor scooter in the case. PSI in Madgaon, Praveen Gawas, is investigating the case.
The modus operandi of the accused is that he used to approach the ladies, especially on the roads and in the markets, and used to snatch their mobiles handset and run away with the scooter, which is having registration number GH08ES2206. So far we have detected 3 cases of mobile snatching, and 2 more mobiles are there, and we will be identifying from where these mobiles are snatched by the accused.
Madgaon police have also been successful in cracking 3 more such cases. Our reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
And now news from sports. Over 500 employees and thousands of students of Agnel Ashram in Verna worked tirelessly to make the National Sub-Junior Basketball Championships a grand success. The challenging task of hosting around 1,000 people for the championships was achieved only because of fantastic teamwork, says manager of the Agnel Ashram complex, Father Agnel Ashram.
A week-long championship was a rousing affair with close matches and fantastic facilities at the Agnel Ashram. Whoever visited the complex for a match was impressed with the atmosphere. Organizing such an event is always a mammoth task, but where there is a will, there is a way. Manager of the Agnel Ashram complex, Father Agnel Ashram, gave a few details.
Once we accepted this, in a way challenge, we put together a team, a very good team of volunteers, and almost all the volunteers are employees of our Agnel Ashram. We have about 500 employees here, and over 500. And of course we have thousands of students, about over 6,000 students, and so we have a lot of people to pull from, but almost everybody is wholeheartedly in this tournament. I've never heard any complaints. They've worked overnight, late hours, and it's been kind of fun to put this together. It's been a lot of work, but fun too. And some of the big jobs are like booking hotels for over 800 players and officials in different hotels in Goa, especially in Kolwa in Madgaon. And that's been a big task, and one of our principals has taken that responsibility. Also making sure there's transportation for students to be transported from the hotels to this location, back and forth. And the meals are provided here, so the students have to be brought for meals, for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Sometimes they have to be taken back and then brought back for their matches. So there's a lot of logistics. Hosting the students and the players and the officials from different states has been fun. I've been interacting with most of them almost from every state. And it's kind of interesting, people from different states, how they interact and how you interact with them, and different languages they speak.
A reporter from Verna, Savio Dias.
Over 1,000 students took training at the advanced summer training camps organized by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs in 8 centers across the state. The camps were of 3-week duration, having begun in the last week of April. Director of Sports Dr. Susanna D'Souza urged the students to train with all seriousness and take up sports as profession. She was speaking during the closing ceremony of the camp at Pede Sports Complex.
Over 300 students were part of the residential camp at Pede Sports Complex in Mapsa. Prizes and certificates were presented by Chief Guest Sanjay Srivastava to the trainees and coaches. Director Dr. Susanna admitted that the camps had to be reduced to 3 weeks so that children can relax a bit before schools reopen.
Actually, training should be for 5 weeks, but because the schools are reopening, children need a little time with the family. I curtailed it to 3 weeks. But 3 weeks, first week they get the training, their bodies pain a little. Second week they get accustomed. Third week they are all on top, no pains, no nothing, and they are now getting used for the playing the game, combination, team combination and everything. So we also got Dr. Ahuja, my Guruji of Patiala, where I got highest marks in sports medicine when I did my NIS in athletics, and I always bring him. A sports sciences center that I have is one of the best in the country, but we have to upgrade it, and Dr. Ahuja promised to support us. I request all the children from across Goa to take up sports as a professional line, and you will definitely have a great future.
Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.